Hi friends, welcome back today to my budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. Today is another episode of Wait a Minute Wednesdays. And Wait a Minute Wednesdays, I made one small change. And because I know for the month of February, I didn't do as much sales compared to last year, so I don't have as much to stuff for my minis or my challenges overall. So what I did was we used a 6-sided die to tell us which challenge to stuff, and then I have this 5-sided die. So before I was using the 8-sided die, so I just reduced it, and so we can spread a smaller amount a little bit further. I rearranged the challenges so they're not in order every time from 1 through 6. So, yeah, we just shuffle it around. We're going to count the cash, and I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So $20 we're working with. And I'll put the cash over here. We will roll. Maybe I should zoom out a little bit. So we'll check the dice a little. Challenge 4 for 5. All right, challenge 4. Challenge 4 again for 2. Roll them separate. Challenge 2 for 3. Okay, we got $5 for challenge 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, let's see, we got $4 left. Oh, actually, no, that's 5. Challenge 6 for 2. $3 left. We're going to just remove our 5-sided die. We ain't doing no IOUs. And let's see. I'll roll it 3 times. Challenge 6. Challenge 6. Challenge 1. Okay. Everybody got some love except the challenge 5 in position 5. So we'll put this back. Move this out of the way. And I think this one was the winner. Let's see. We have 4 here. And then this one was 5. 3 and 1. Yeah, and 7. So 7, 5, 4, 3, and 1. All right, so this one, I'm not sure. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 5. Okay. We can finish off this row. That was nice. Definitely wasn't expecting that. You know, with the rollover. So we'll get that color in. Let me try and pick the right color. Pink. Okay, so this is done. All right, challenge number 5 has 3, and we do have $3 to color in on this. I guess it's a gumball. Gumball jar. Let's see, let's do orange. Okay, and this one, we have 4. I'm gonna do these 2 2s here. I don't want to use up all the 1s just yet. For that one time, we left over with $1. I needed to make it count. All right, this one got 5. We can color in another 5. Yes, this is the last one that entered the rotation. It looks like it's gonna be the first one finished. And our winner, $7. Do we? Yep, we have a 7. Hey, let me do this one. And just like that, Wait a Minute Wednesdays is complete. And we will be right back at it next week, probably with another $20. Could possibly be maybe $15, $20. And we'll make it do what it do at that time. Thank you guys so much for joining and hanging out. I will chat with you in the next one. Bye, you guys.